Are these winning products real or just hype? In this video, I'm going to review and verify some of the top dropshipping products recommended by dropshipping gurus in the past year. So here's what we're going to do today. I'll be ranking and verifying 4 products, each one based on deep analysis using ZIK Analytics, looking very closely at sales performance, profit potential, and market saturation. Will these products pass our verification test? Let's find out. Alright, so the first product that we're going to review today is the heated gloves. This looks like a promising product with a broad appeal, especially for buyers who want to stay extra warm during the colder months. But let's remove the guesswork and let's just dive into data using ZIK Analytics. To properly verify this product, I'll be using the Product Explorer tool. So this tool allows me to see how well the product is selling across different Shopify stores. That way, I can identify the exact variation or model that's performing well and get a clear picture of its demand in the market. So here we are inside the Product Explorer, and the key here is to experiment with keywords. So let's just try heated gloves, right? And hit search and look at that. All right. So I can already see here that this product is generating solid sales, right? Across multiple Shopify stores, ranging from 40 to 330 units sold in the past 30 days. Now, let's just go deeper and estimate the profitability. So I'm just going to select a product here listed at $49.99, this one right here. So this product has 66 sales in the last 30 days, which is quite decent. And now I'm just going to click here in the item finder like this, and look at that, my friends. We have many options here, many options. Let's just go with one of them. So do you see this? This is the exact same gloves, but it's sold for only $21.09 on AliExpress. All right, so let's just break down here the numbers. The selling price for this product in the Shopify store is $49.99, correct? The Shopify sales fee is 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction, which is $1.75. Now, the sourcing price from AliExpress is $21.09, which means that the profit per sale is $27.15. And with 66 sales, the store earned an estimated $1,791 in profit in the past 30 days. And that's before any ad spend or any other expenses. All right. Sounds good to me. What about you? What's your verdict in it? Well, I think this is an absolutely winning product for the winter season. All right, so the next product that we're gonna cover here is this one. It's a blanket hoodies. This is definitely a cool and cozy product. And now it's time to see how well it's actually performing using real data, right? So I'm just gonna head again to the Product Explorer tool, but this time I'm gonna type blanket hoodie. Hit the search, and my friends, look at that. All right, so right away, I'm seeing solid results, and this product is selling in all kinds of patterns and colors, and which is perfect for anyone looking to build a niche store around it. And the sales in the past 30 days basically range from 30 to like 85, 80 plus units. And overall, I just love the concept. It's non-electric, it's easy to ship, and it's basically a one-size-fits-all product. So let's analyze the profitability. I'm going to pick this one right here. Okay, it's sold 68 times in the past 30 days at $49.90. Next, I'm just going to click here, the item finder, right, to find a supplier to source this product. So I'm going to open this one right here for you. All right, so the same product is being sold for $7.64 plus $26.48 for shipping, which brings it to $34.12. Now, using the same profit formula that we used before, the profit per sale of the dropshipping store that's selling this product is around $14.12. And again, with 68 sales in the last 30 days, that's a right profit of around $960. So what's the verdict here? Well, this is a great product to dropship. At around the $50 price point, it's best suited for organic traffic strategies like TikTok or content-driven funnels, but the potential is clearly there, I have to say. And during winter time, I expect the demand and profits just to rise even higher. All right, before we jump into the third product, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to me and to everyone here. And if you want to use all these crazy tools that I'm using, well, you can try ZIK Analytics for just $1 for the first week. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Now, let's move here to the next product, which it's the wrapping paper cutter. Well, this is a definitely must-have for holidays, birthdays, and all kinds of celebrations. And honestly, it's just a super handy tool to have around the house for any occasion. A fully analyzed potential. I played around, with a few keywords, variations, and I landed on wrapping paper cutter inside the Product Explorer tool. And check it out, video. And the interesting part is that one dropshipping store is dominating this product. It sold 46 times in the past 30 days at $11.95. So my friends, you can see here that other competitors are selling the same item too, but they only managed to, sell around what, 5, 7, and a little bit more like each time, in the same time frame. Now let's talk about profit. I clicked here in the item finder for the top performing store, and then I found several solid sourcing options. And here's one that I like the most. This one right here has great customer reviews, which is a strong indicator of quality. It's super important for maintaining high customer satisfaction. And the price is only $2.46 plus $1.99 for shipping, which brings to a total of $4.45, which means that the profit per sale for the dropshipping store that managed to sell the most of this product is $6.80. The verdict? Well, I think this is a great seasonal product, especially for holidays like Christmas, but it's not exactly an evergreen item, as we can see from the data. All right. Now, the last product that we're going to review now and analyze is this one right here. So this is truly a great product for Christmas season. And now let's just uncover its real potential by analyzing it with ZIK Analytics. And since this type of product is mostly seasonal and doesn't generate high sales year round, I'll focus more on the profit per item rather than total monthly sales volume. All right, and then I'm just gonna type here folding Christmas tree. All right, look at that. I found this product and I see that this dropshipping store right here, it managed to sell 8 times in the past 30 days. Let's just click here in the store. Look, it's selling for $159.99, right? While the sales volume isn't huge, the fact that it's moving units outside the holiday season shows that the product has a strong appeal to early planners. And here's the product page again. You can see that it has like a wow factor. And also during the holiday season, this definitely has the potential to become a best seller. All right, let's source it. I'm going to click here in the item finder again and look at that. We have many options. Let's just open this one right here. Look at that. The price is only $60.50 with free shipping. That gives this product a huge profit margin. By selling this product for $159.99 and sourcing it for only $60.50, that's $94.55 profit per sale. Even with just 8 sales this month, the store earned around $756 in profit from an off-season product. The verdict? Well, this isn't a strong seasonal product with solid potential. Sure, it sells, a lower volume of season, of course, but the data shows that there's already some demand from early planner buyers. So when the Christmas season kicks in, bull run for this product right here. Okay, this product will absolutely become a high profit winner. And even if you run paid ads, the profit margin is high enough to cover ad spends and still deliver great ROI. All right, so that wraps up our video. We just covered 4 products. As you saw, most of them are solid choices. thanks to the power of data, we were able to, just dig deeper and uncover what really makes these products work. Also, if there's another top product that you would like me to review and analyze, you just drop the name in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you next time.